And I can see right away, boom, I'm going into a playground zone. So this is a hard 30. I need to keep the car just a hair below 30. So 28, 29 is what I'm aiming for. Leave 30 for an emergency in case, you know, you get up close to the 30 limit, you're not going past it. I'm looking for the back of that same diamond with the rectangle I just saw. So it's coming up here on the left. You can see it. It's facing the oncoming traffic, but that's important to me because that signifies the end of this 30 zone here. So now that I'm past it, I'm going to start zooming up to 47, 48 to indicate that I know I'm out of that zone, right? If this was a road test, that would be important. I can see the sign here coming up on the right. It says school, but it's just telling me there's a school nearby. This is not a 30 zone because it doesn't have a 30 attached to it. I'm going to be coming up to make a right turn at this intersection. Slowing down, mirror shoulder check, and coming into this lane, trying not to cut the bike lane. I can see I'm going into a 30 zone now, but this is not a school time, so because it's summer again, we're going to be getting up to 50 when conditions allow. Got a raised speed hump here. So getting up to 50 whenever conditions let me. Another raised crosswalk up ahead. I can see that little bump denoted below the sign.